Once upon a time, in a quiet little town in Italy, there lived a 9-year-old girl named Sarah, and Sarah had a secret. She wasn't afraid of the dark, she was fascinated by it. Not the kind of darkness behind closets or under beds. Cosmic darkness. The kind that hides black holes, invisible forces, and the mysteries that hold the universe together. Every night, while the world slept, Sarah sat by her bedroom window with a small flashlight and a notebook full of stars she drew herself. She wrote down big questions for someone her age. Where does light go when it bends? What happens at the edge of a black hole? What is the universe expanding into? Questions most adults don't even dare to ask. But Sarah wasn't alone. Her greatest inspiration was a real woman she had only seen on the internet and in library books. Sabrina González Pasterski, the American theoretical physicist who built her own airplane at age 14, was accepted into MIT with an impeccable academic record, and went on to study the deepest questions of modern physics, black hole memory, why we memory, soft theorems, quantum gravity, and the very nature of spacetime. Sabrina wasn't famous for showing off, she was famous for thinking. And that's exactly what Sarah admired. So Sarah tried to think like her. When Sabrina studied how information escapes from a black hole, Sarah tried to imagine it with crayons, drawing spirals where memories and particles danced, their way out of the darkness. When Sabrina explored the edges of space-time, Sarah imagined them as shimmering curtains where the universe breathed like a giant cosmic heart. And whenever she got stuck on a problem, she whispered the same words Sabrina once said in an interview: "The future is open." One afternoon, after school, Sarah built her own laboratory on the porch, a cardboard telescope, jars filled with glitter labeled dark matter, and a shoebox she proudly called a mini particle accelerator. It didn't actually accelerate particles, but it accelerated her imagination. And sometimes, that's how real science begins. Sarah's dream wasn't to be famous. Her dream was to understand the universe a little better than yesterday. And maybe, just maybe, one day she would be alongside Sabrina exploring the same cosmic mysteries. Because every great scientist starts exactly like this, with a question that no one else dares to ask. If you want more stories of brilliant children who dream of science, space, and the mysteries of the universe, follow BIOUNIVERSE Kids, where imagination meets discovery.